Hello everyone, now I will show how to export your video for YouTube and what is the best setting for YouTube as 4K or 1080p. At first we'll go to export menu. From here we'll go to export menu. There are several formats, but as per YouTube, MP4 is recommended format, and from MP4 H.264 is the most recommended format. We'll go with this one, and here is my 4K resolution video. There is 3800 400 by 2160 and my FPS was 25. So you have to make sure your all video are at same FPS. Here are some other setting. There is bitrate. There is several bitrate, but minimum bitrate for 1080 is minimum 10 Mbps, but if you go for 4K it should be 45 to 55, but for the time being I am using minimum 10. But if you make it 2 it will automatically take more time, but your resolution or video quality or resolution will be better. But for the time being I am doing BPR 1 pass, and I will keep this one as 10 Mbps and maximum 12, but it is recommended to make it 45 to 55 for 4K resolution video. So other thing will remain unchanged or will keep the same. Now we'll export it. It will take around 30 minutes. It depends on your computer configuration, and my video length is around 10 minutes and it is 4K. So we will wait for 30 minutes. So this is our final video. Let's check the property. Here is the resolution 3840 by 2160. That's mean this is 4K. Now we'll upload this file. Now drop your file here and fill out the all required field like title, description, thumbnail and other part. So we have provided all required information. Now we'll press next. You can choose private or public from here, but we'll go as usual default one and publish. It will take around 10 to 20 minutes to get 1080p and around 1 hour to get 4K resolution. So we'll check after 10 minutes and after 60 minutes. We have uploaded this file almost around 15 minutes. So let's check the resolution. This is 1080p. So we have got the HD quality in around 15 minutes. Actually it is less than 15 minutes, around 10 minutes. So now you have to wait another 40 or 50 minutes to get the 4K resolution. So let's wait little longer. So let's check the video quality now. It's almost 3 hours. We expected it will be done by 1 hour, but it took almost 3 hours. But now it is 4K. This is really good news for us, and we'll provide this video link so you can check out. So if you got any question, please feel free to ask in comment section. We will reply it. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.